What is going on, everybody? DJ Minds here, and in today's video there is so much news to talk about. Today has been crazy ups and downs, executive orders, Bitcoin. What is going to happen? Will this become illegal? There is a new coin for America. Let's talk about it. Quick disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I have no course to sell you. I do not want your money. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. All right, so today has been all over the place. I woke up and Bitcoin was rallying. I mean, currently we're up 9.2%. It is right now 4 p.m. Eastern. And yeah, it's been a crazy day, very exciting. And anytime you see these cryptocurrencies moving up, I ask myself, I'm like, whoa, what's going on? There must be some good news out there, right? Over there on Twitter, I saw that the executive order that we've been hearing about for cryptocurrencies was looking positive. There was a lot of good information out there supposedly coming. So I started looking around YouTube, and this is one of the videos that I saw.
Treasury Department published, then removed comments on an upcoming executive order on cryptocurrencies. The prices jumped on that release, and now the details of the actual executive order are out, and even you can remove it, Elon. It's like when I delete a tweet, you know, when I think better of something, someone's got it already. It's like too late. You know, once you've done it, you've done it. And I saw the executive order, and it was like, you know, exactly what you would have thought. We want to make it safe for investors. We want to lead in innovation, but we want to make sure we have the right kind of regulation that protects people. We want to, you know, protect the environment. All the normal things that, but not very specific.
I'll leave a link for the full video in the description below if you want to see it, but basically things were seeming really good because as an at-home miner, as someone who has over 4 gigahash, I have a lot of friends who have much larger farms than I. The one thing that's really scary about crypto mining in particular is, will this ever become illegal? You know, 3 years from now, we're spending hundreds of thousands of dollars, some people millions of dollars on this equipment. Will this become illegal? And for me, that is definitely the scariest thing. There's a lot of uncertainty. If you ever wanted to go full time with crypto, can you really do that 5 years from now? And now that the executive order had been released or was on the way to being signed, you know, this seemed like an awesome day for everybody. Keeping the politics aside, because that's not what my channel is about, it does look like the one good thing is it's not going to become illegal. But then later in the day, the details were released, and now we really see what's going on. Here's the full details from the White House on the executive order. I'll spare you the details if you want to read it in its entirety. Again, link in the description. But the main highlight, in my opinion, is the CBDC, and what that is, the central bank digital currency. The paragraph reads, the order directs the U.S. government to assess the technology, infrastructure, and capacity needs for a potential U.S. CBDC in a manner that protects Americans' interests. And after reading this, I gotta say my high went from way up here to like way down here. Not completely as bad as yesterday, but a little bit better than yesterday's feelings. So if you're wondering, why would I consider that to be disappointing news? It's essentially because there was no mention of the word Bitcoin or Ethereum. That's really what everybody was hoping for. That's what we wanted to hear. But again, it's a lot better than what we could have got as the alternative. We all know what the alternative would be. And yeah, so I'll take it. I mean, it is what it is at this point. It also kind of leaves us in the dark as a crypto miner because we really don't know what's going on. I mean, it sounds like it's not going to become illegal, but at the same time, like, what do we really know? We haven't really learned anything except for that we're going to be the leaders of something. And I mean, will that something be Bitcoin? Will that something be Ethereum? I don't really know. I mean, does anybody really know right now? Just in case you were not aware, it was not that long ago that China fully banned cryptocurrencies. And what happened after that? China themselves released their own digital coin, digital cryptocurrency. They banned what everybody wants and they replaced it with something that they wanted. Now, will the US pull a China and ban it for all of us just to replace their own? I don't think so. I would really imagine that's not what's going to happen. The problem is it is centralized currency that really no one wants, or the banks obviously would really like that, but people involved in the crypto space are not going to like this at all. Whether we like it or not, folks, this is happening in front of us, and all we can do is hope that they don't mess with the decentralized part of it and keep their own centralized bank. I mean, here's an example that just happened to me not long ago. I bought some land and I went to the bank and it was about $25,000 and I tried to take out a cash advance, but they told me I could only spend $5,000 at a time. I said, so you want me to come back here 5 different days? They said, yes. I said, this is crazy. This is awful. Like, I have to come back and get $5,000 on 5 different days, and they have to be Monday through Friday, or else the bank is closed. And if I don't come to the bank at the right time, you know, if I come in the evening, well, forget it. And that's one case where cryptocurrency is just incredible, right? If I want to send somebody money to China, or hell, I want to send you $100,000, might be a little bit harder, but I could easily do that, and it only takes a few minutes, right? So, you know, there's definitely a little bit of pro there. I would like to be able to use my bank account and just send things, although I can't imagine them letting us just do what we want the same way we do with Bitcoin or Ethereum or some of these altcoins. But the one good thing out of all of this great news is that at the current rate of things, I do think we'll be able to continue to expand our farm. I'm sure you'll be able to continue to expand your farm, and we'll see what the future holds. So that's all the information I have for you guys today. Make sure to like this video, consider subscribing. You can also check me out on my Discord, link in the description below, and check us out on Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. I would love to hear your opinion on things, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. DJ Minds signing out.